Welcome to the tutorial for the APDN Mobility Lab software, where I'll be showing you the basics of how to use this program.
In setting up Mobility Lab, ensure that you have power to the access point and the docking station by making sure that they're plugged into the wall outlet and there's a green light. Then you should make sure that they're connected with the cable to each other. Once you've got that done, you can dock each of the stations by pushing them down into the dock. Once they've initialized, there will be a solid blue LED light for each of them. Next, you can plug the docking station into the laptop with the USB cable. From there, you're good to go ahead and open up the Mobility Lab software. Lastly, you should make sure that your pointer is connected via USB to the laptop.
Once you've opened the Mobility Lab software, go to the Hardware Configuration tab. If the sensors are not already assigned, move them into their respective locations. Once these have all been assigned, click Apply Configuration. Once you've completed that, go to the Subjects tab. You'll have to create a new subject and click Save. Now you can select the subject and click New Tests. You can select any combination or number of single tests as well as test sequences, which will be a summation of combination of single tests. Click the Add button to select a test, then click Next. Now you'll just follow the directions, undocking the sensors and placing them on the subject. All of the monitors should be blinking green in unison when they're ready. Then you can click Next. You're now ready to begin the test. Again, making sure that all of the Opal sensors as well as the access point are flashing with the green LED light. You're now ready to begin putting the sensors on the patient. For all of the sensors, you're going to want to have the flashing LED light pointing in the proximal direction on the patient. For the foot sensors, you're going to place it just over the dorsum of the foot with the screen facing up. The wrist sensors will be put on just like you would a watch. The last two sensors are lumbar and sternum. You'll have the patient standing for these. The lumbar sensor will go just below L5. Finally, the sternum sensor goes with each loop inside the patient's arms and connects in the back. Once all the straps are on place and tightened, you're ready to begin testing. Once you've completed the trial for the selected test, you'll be given a detailed results dialog box. For a sway trial that I just completed, you'll be given the black squiggly lines, which represent the actual path traveled, the blue regression oval, which is the best fit for your trial, as well as the gray oval, which is considered normative data. Therefore, anything inside the gray oval is normal. Anything outside the gray oval will be abnormal. You can view a couple different views of your data. You can look at longitudinal, how the trial has progressed over many different trials, or you can look within trial progression. You can view the metric values here as percentiles, metric values, or as z-scores. You also have an option to put in any test notes for the trial. Additionally, you can have this settings icon, which will bring you new options such as printing the trial or exporting the raw data. This concludes the tutorial for APDM Mobility Lab.